We'll keep reminding you.
Keep a watch on you.
I want to tender an apology. One day your lordship had said that his NCT is a party. But NCT is respond number 5. I had just gone out to court number 3 to check out my court number 2 to check out my matter. Well, I will just take 5-7 minutes, whatever is my instruction. But I believe that there are some judgments which have come after JB 6 days, and they have instructed me with regard to this matter, Willard, as per their stand is that it was only one time window. But Willard, there are some judgments which I would.
Very well, we'll give you 5 minutes time.
Your Lordship may give me some time to tell them that there are judgments to that effect.
That is between you and NCT. We are not bothered.
There's one more difficulty. I am for respond number 6 in this matter, for the Ministry of HRD. Morning only, I have been served with a copy of special leave petition and the transfer petition. My apologies, let me just go through with the transfer petition.
We are closing this matter today. Anybody wanting to say something can put in your written submissions within 2 weeks. We'll grant that time.
We'll do that. So deeply, we'll do that.
Your item number is today, serial number?
66.
66.
Lordship, before Mr. Kalla argue, I just point out I have filed an IA in the patent application. We are the similarly situated.
Very well, very well.
All right, your brief is being contested by Mr. Kalra. Don't worry.
Mr. Kalra, Ms. Divedi, there are so many of them arguing for you. Yes.
But
Yes.
unfortunately, my lord, the
Why
impression
you start with unfortunately?
because there is some.
What is unfortunate?
The unfortunate part is this, my lord, that there have been certain misleading facts and a misleading impression that has been created, which I want to clarify and make it fortunate for me.
You've been trying to do it since yesterday. Come on, continue with that, huh?
So therefore, my lord, the first is that the JV Singh matter has been projected in a way which is contrary to the records. I've got the entire JV SLP to show that whatever has been argued is incorrect. The facts speak to the contrary. Point number 2, my lord, it has been shown that this is really a fight between the regular DLED, which was the interveners, vis-a-vis us, the petitioners, who are PDPT plus bridge cost.
Bridge cost.
In my humble submission and my most respectful submission, it is not a fight between us, my lord. My argument today, my lord, is primarily based on the fact, or rejoinder today is, that what was the intent of the government of India? What was the assurance of government of India?
You don't reopen the case.
Because I'm not reopening. I am just.
Rejoinder means what?
Yes, I am just answering.
Counter that.
my lord.
Yes.
I am just answering whatever came from there, sir. Therefore, my lord, the first thing that I want to rejoin about is, kindly come to the JV Singh SLP, my lord. I have got copies of the JV Singh SLP. That what was the issue before this honorable court and what was decided.
You're supposed to look at the SLP now.
There is-
The
there is
judgment
a-
is there.
No, but
You make your comments on
I
the
will be
judgment
able
in
to,
this
I will
manner
be
you
able to
can.
satisfy, my lord, to show that what is not decided in the judgment was a grievance in the SLP, which is to my favor. This is what I want to show. To show the judgment directly.
We are not going to decide matters based on the contents of the SLP.
Indeed, my lord,
What
but
is there in the judgment? Jaivir,
very well. Very well.
Novel way of arguing.
Vishwanath,
Very well.
and Kaushik Das.
Very well. Then allow me to place it.
Devesh Sharma.
I may not show it. Allow me to
Yes.
place it. Jaivir Singh is a B.Ed candidate, my lord. He's a B.Ed. That's very, very important. He filed a writ petition before the Uttarakhand High Court, Honorable Uttarakhand High Court, seeking quashing of a NCT notification, oblique circular, which said that both these courses, which is regular DLED as well as NIOS DLED, are at par. He sought quashing of that. That writ petition was not allowed by the Uttarakhand High Court. He filed an SLP here challenging the non-deciding of his writ petition, saying that this NCT notification which says both these courses are equivalent needs to be set aside. That is the only ground in his SLP. That SLP, my lord, if my lord would just have the operative part of Jaivir Singh, one does not quash the NCT circular which holds NIOS DLED as well as the regular DLED at par. It does not quash it. Second, his writ petition, my lord, that is a categorical finding in the Jaivir Singh judgment, is not allowed. What is the consequence, my lord? The consequence is this, that the challenge to the NCT notification oblique suggestion made by NCT to all the state governments that both these courses are equivalent stands as on date, because despite a challenge, it has not been set aside. Number 2, a separate writ petition by him, which is rejected specifically in the Jaivir Singh. Therefore, I wanted to show that one finding of Jaivir Singh. The third most important part, my lord, the NCT recommendation which comes, which I wanted to show that circular, is based on a Honorable Patna High Court's judgment. Till date, that Patna High Court judgment has not been challenged. It holds the.
No, that has been held to be not court law.
Yes, yes.
The High Court,
Already.
this court has already.
My lord, this court has given.
In observing that
This-
we are surprised by NCT
Yes,
has
my
not
lord,
challenged
sir.
it.
What would have been the natural consequence? The natural consequence would have been that particular notification of NCT should have been quashed. Till date, it has not been quashed. In fact, the NCT has also sent up follow-up letters on that notification to all the governments, all the state governments, saying that please treat both these courses at par, and therefore please allow the NIOS DLED candidates to apply in fresh recruitments. That is the intent. The second most important argument, my lord, that this question came up yesterday, that why was the clarificatory order required? I just want to show one annexure, my lord, on the basis of which the clarificatory order was given, just one page. And the same page, my lord, is relevant for my case also. That just this one, which is from the record, my lord, Sir Advocate. Yeah. Can you please tender it?
What is this?
Because this was the first annexure in my review, and this is an advertisement issued by the MHRD with the NIOS, my lord, for the course. This I am showing for the Vishwanath matter. My lord would see it is by the Government of India, and my lord would see on the top, left side below the photograph of the person there, my lord. This course is approved by the NCT and MHRD.
Anyone
with this qualification can apply for job anywhere in India.
Right.
Then please come down, my lord.
Yes.
There are some symbols at the bottom, which give, at the last in the red, my lord, next to the red part, there are some symbols there, which give the assurance of the Government of India, because this is approved, which I got to know from the MHRD as well as from the topmost office of the Government of India. A similar advertisement, my lord, was also issued for me. Similar advertisement. And this is really the crux of the entire matter.
Their understanding, Mr. Kalra,
My lord,
that doesn't govern the decision of this court.
my lord, this
Ultimately, this court has interpreted the law as it should be.
very well.
Simply because there was an advertisement.
No.
You sue the government.
My lord, the government is here. I sued the government. My lord, the
Sue
government.
for damages. Nothing beyond that.
Advertisements or pamphlets published,
My lord, kindly bear.
inviting applications.
My lord, I hope
You are arguing very well, but now we are little disappointed.
No, I'm sorry, my lord. Sorry to disappoint.
Don't spoil your.
I understand, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see the advertisement. I'll take the liberty to spoil a bit further if that will help my client. Lord, kindly see the bigger advertisement.
Yes.
This is not a private advertisement, my lord. Let me make that clear. This is issued by the MHRD. The intent of the MHRD and the NCT, my lord, in my course also, kindly see that one line. The course is approved by NCT.
Yes.
On the left top, my lord.
Yes, yes.
The course
Anyone with this qualification can apply for any job anywhere.
This is the basis on which, and the government's assurance and backing.
They subsequently even promised that even B.Ed candidates would be entitled to apply.
Yes.
They issued 2018.
Indeed,
That
my
is
lord.
struck down.
That is a very pertinent question.
And all
In
that-
fact, my lord, that alone has not.
Everything is now a matter of past.
No, my lord,
Yes.
let me please clarify. Only 18 has been struck down. There is a 19 notification which again includes B.Ed. That is valid. I will show that. Another argument, let me please follow the sequence, my lord. Another argument that was made by the other side was B.Ed in any form will not be accepted for 1 to 5. NCT has come out with another notification which makes class 1 to 5 B.Ed eligible. And
So
that
have they come out with some statute or enactment overriding Devesh Sharma?
indeed, my lord, kindly see.
After 223, Devesh Sharma came in 23.
Yes.
Anything done before that
Is covered by
putting
the.
B.Ed as a qualification
Lord,
will
Devesh-
automatically go.
Kindly bear.
For the same reason.
Kindly bear with me. Kindly see that notification for a minute. my lord.
Yes.
Kindly come, my lord, to page 607 of my yesterday's compilation.
Yes.
Yesterday is the flagged one, my lord.
Page.
607 of my yesterday's compilation. It was flagged with the plastic
Yes,
flags. my lord.
Yes, yes.
You
Lord,
flagged
yes.
many issues. Serial number
607, my lord. This will be serial number wouldn't be marked.
All right, all right.
607.
607.
Yes.
My lord would have notification dated 13th October 21.
Yes.
This was never a subject matter of Devesh Sharma either before this court or before the Rajasthan High Court, my lord. I say it with responsibility.
Yes.
And this holds the field till today. But the date is important, 13th October 21.
Yes.
Kindly come, my lord, to, I am reading in exercise of powers conferred by so and so. Kindly directly come to below 2, my lord.
Yes.
In said notification, paragraph 1 in so and so, afterwards so and so, or post graduation with a minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade and 3-year integrated B.Ed M.Ed is to be inserted, my lord. And then please see 3C also. In the said notification, para so and so, this is 23rd August, they are making a change to that. Who has acquired the qualification of 3-year integrated B.Ed M.Ed from any NCT recognized institution shall be considered for appointment as a teacher in class 1 to 5. Very, very important. And please see, my lord, Justice Mehta put this question to me, that is this being followed? Very next example, 608. State of Himachal in all tones said that we are not getting B.Ed, my lord. Please see 608. This advertisement is after Devesh Sharma, 608.
Yes.
Month and year is important of the advertisement, October 23.
Yes.
Devesh Sharma is August 23. Kindly directly come to 609, my lord. 609.
Yes.
My lord would kindly come.
If the states decide on their own to act in contravention of this court judgment, that means we are bound by their actions.
No, my lord.
Then what?
I must clarify.
Then what?
This court's judgment is limited to B.Ed only. That is my case.
Very good.
What this notification and my case is that
Which course?
B.Ed plus plus.
All right.
B.Ed plus plus. Either it could be B.Ed plus M.Ed, which is being followed now, or it could be B.Ed plus bridge course, or whatever B.Ed plus plus
Very good.
has always been considered eligible throughout. And therefore, this I wanted to show, and this has been tested by this honorable court in a later part. Please see 609 with me for a minute. 609 subclause 3, my lord. The appointment of JBT. JBT means junior basic teacher. That's primary. And below that, if my lords would kindly come to the essential qualifications in the table, kindly see the last part after or. Post graduation with a minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade and 3-year integrated B.Ed M.Ed. So therefore, even in all the states, my lord, till today, B.Ed with plus plus, whatever it could be, is an essential qualification or a minimum qualification to be considered for class 1 to 5. And this particular advertisement has been tested up till this honorable court, and this was held to be valid, my lord. There, of course, I will not trouble, my lords. I will just pass on the details of the case. It has been tested. So the second fulcrum of my argument is that Devesh Sharma only touches upon B.Ed. If required, I will again take my lords to those paragraphs to show that the entire discussion is on B.Ed. It is not on B.Ed plus plus. Therefore, my lord, since my lords are here, kindly come to, at the cost of repetition, please come to 5.
Now, for doing B.Ed, what is the basic qualification required?
Let's arts or science, bachelors of arts or bachelors of science, bachelors of arts or bachelors of science. One of these.
Not post-graduation.
Post-graduation is not required.
Not even class 12. You need a graduation degree.
We need a graduation.
When BA, BCom, BSc, and then you can.
It could be either of them.
Yes.
And then, my lord, since we are here, kindly come to 540 also now. I
Yes.
told this yesterday, but just as a course. Will not be accepted was canvassed by all the state councils in one tone. I am trying to defeat that argument that NCT's own notification, which has not been set aside by any court, not even tested. I choose my words very carefully. It's not even been tested by any court, stands till today. And therefore, my lord, 540, I had shown this yesterday, my lord. This is one clarificatory interim order in Devesh Sharma. And the question at 541 is really the crux of this, the clarification which came. Is this question?
Yesterday.
Yes, my lord. This question is very important. I'll just read it once again, my lord.
Once again, all right.
I'm conscious of my 15 minutes, my lord. Is there a bridge course operating through which B.Ed candidates who were appointed before the judgment of this court, which was delivered on so-and-so, could train themselves, which would take their qualification at par with DLED candidates? Lord, I pause there for a minute. The question is not to the later part. The question is to the former part, that is there a course? This court, in my humble submission, understands that if there is a B.Ed candidate who has done bridge course, his qualification will be equivalent to a DLED, is my case. And therefore, the answer, my lord, which we had seen at page 552, the relevant part, 552.
Yes.
Middle of the page. Moreover, the candidates having B.Ed qualifications whose appointments we are protecting in this judgment will have to undergo a bridge course, and we direct the educational authorities to devise such course. what I'm trying to argue here is, my lord, that the impression when this Devesh Sharma was being argued or decided was that class of petitioners like us do not exist.
Read 4 lines downwards.
Yes, my lord. My lord had pointed this question yesterday also, and I'll read it.
This course shall only be.
Indeed, we make it clear that this benefit is only for the candidates who were appointed prior to the
Merely
date.
an extension of time to protect the services, that's all.
Indeed.
Nothing beyond that.
Indeed, my lord.
Yes.
I did not interrupt, please.
Para
I'll
yes, we pointed it out, yes.
I'll read it out.
Yes, para wo upar
I'll read it out.
Make it clear, yes.
I'll read that out also, my lord. We
So
make
that question is now no longer in realm because it has been answered.
My lord, let us see the main judgment also then for 30 seconds. The main judgment says that till date there is no bridge course. Lord, the NCT. 1 second, sir. I did not oppose when you were speaking, please. Some courtesy.
Don't eat into his 15 minutes. Almost over now.
Lord, it's 5 minutes of.
No more now.
I just need 3 more points.
Yes,
So
okay.
Devesh Sharma, since that question, kindly come back to Devesh Sharma for a minute, my lord. That my lords will kindly find at Miss Trivedi's compilation, Mamta Pal, my lord. That one paragraph is very, very important. 175 of Miss Mamta, the Mamta Pal's compilation, my lord.
Yes.
175 it starts. Devesh Sharma. And then, my lord, kindly come to para 61, my lord, at page 193.
Yes.
This paragraph is very, very important because this shows that the Honorable Court deciding is unaware about the petitioners in my most respectful submissions. Please see 193 para 61. Unlike diploma in elementary education, B.Ed does not equip a teacher. Again, B.Ed only, primary level. This fact, kindly ignore the first 7 lines, my lord. Kindly come to the last 4 lines. It is to cover this defect. It is to cover this defect that all such candidates must undergo a mandatory 6 months bridge course in elementary education. The irony here is that all is being done when the state of Rajasthan already has more than required number of diploma qualified candidates available. This is very, very important. This is besides the fact that there is presently no such bridge course available. At least there was none till the disposal of the petition by the Rajasthan High Court. I'll pause here for a minute. Kindly mark the years here. Devesh Sharma is 23. Rajasthan High Court decides in 21. My bridge course was completed in 2019. So what this court, the impression was given, because we were never summoned, we were never issued notice, my lord, and the NCT for whatever reasons did not bring our case to the fact of that, this honorable court while this matter was being decided. This court says that till the Rajasthan High Court decided Devesh Sharma, there was no bridge course available. So that is factually incorrect. The impression that is being given, my lord.
All right, thank you.
I need 2 more minutes.
No.
All right, at least let me have
All
the...
right.
Put everything in writing. Whatever you want. Madam wanted to say something. No.
Just one. Just
Yes.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Huh.
Query yesterday had come to the petitioners that if there are 200 posts only and there are 5,000 aspirants for certain things. But lordships, as my learned friend also pointed out, for Himachal and for Uttarakhand particularly, lordships, the schools are shut, 13 districts, 500 vacancies. We have filed with lordships. So lordships, it is not, for example, true for the state of Uttarakhand or even Himachal. And lordship, teachers have crossed their age limit. So for teaching secondary classes, lordship, for classes, they cross their age bar. So lordship,
just 1 second.
may kindly reserve some liberty to the states in such situations, because the final line was drawn on 31st March 19 only. All of us as people who completed our minimum qualification on 31st March 19 and not beyond that. Beyond that,
Just 60 seconds. I won't take the 60 seconds. Just one thing, Mullah.
Arguments.
Can I just show one thing? Can I just show one thing? Just one
Counsel
document.
for the parties are at liberty to file their written submissions on or before 22nd May 2026.
Not for respondent number 6, I want to file my wakalatnama also. No, they will not take.
File your wakalatnama also.
Yes, otherwise they will not take. The registry said matter is reserved.
Union of India
Yes.
may file its wakalatnama also
So
in the meantime.
So
And written submission.
And written submissions also, yes.
So
Written submissions.
Sorry?
Yes. tell you. 20 vacancies.
So just one fact, I'm not arguing on law, my lord.
Yes.
Now, there are about 500 vacancies reserved just for this litigation because this is a one-time thing. And one question that had come last time, my lord, that we can always apply to 6 to 8. That is an incorrect fact by them. There is no vacancy for 6 to 8 in any state. It can only be promoted from 1 to 5. So therefore, the entry gate, my lord, is only class 1 to 5. There is no entry gate for 6 to 8 in any state.
Recruitment is always there for wait.
Grateful, my lord, grateful for the patient.
What master